PowerMill users can copy parameters from one toolpath to the another to reduce their workflow. This can be done in two methods. The first method is can copy the parameter from one toolpath to the another using named parameter. This is available in every toolpath menu. But consider if you want to copy multiple parameters like feed speed, lead links, start and end point, and rapid movements. So you have to copy multiple times to load all these parameters. Instead, you can copy all the mentioned parameters in one click. This can be done using load setting function. Let's see how to do it. I'm having here two pre-created toolpaths where my parameters are totally different to each other. If you look at the feed speed tables, it is totally different. Here, the first toolpath having 4200 RPM, 1500 as cut feed, and 1000 is feed rate, and skim fade it is 5000. But if you look at the second toolpath, it is totally different from the first one. At the same time, if you look at the toolpath connections, the first toolpath having rapid height as 100 mm and plunge radius as 50 mm. At the same time, if you look at the second one, it is having different values. At the same time, if you go on the links page, it is totally different from the first one. Just think about if you want to copy all the parameters from the first one, which is my correct toolpath. So what you have to do is activate the toolpath which is wrong and right click over the correct one and say load settings. So PowerMill will automatically transfer all the data or parameters from the first toolpath to the second in one click. So now you go and see the feed speed table. It is copied all. So simply I'm applying here. And if you go and look the toolpath connections, so my safe area is changed. My links also changed. So by using this single click, PowerMill users copy the parameters from one toolpath to the another.